G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward everybody, and it is launch day for December Masterclass, and of course this month is a very busy month for so many of us, and I have slowed things down. Now I've done that, I'd like to say I did that really intentionally, but I didn't. I unfortunately, through having pneumonia, I broke a rib this month, so I've been trying to heal from that, so everything really slowed down, and this project really reflects that. I'd like to say that I knew what I was doing, but it just kind of happened. You know, I love a theme though, but I've created a snail for us all, a beautiful giant snail. Can be a boy or a girl. It's a very gender fluid snail. And I think it's just the perfect project for December, moving up into Christmas, and some lovely new techniques, and it's really nice to work on something with some gorgeous quilting fabrics. I'm definitely on the mend, so no more slow things, but I have really enjoyed putting this one together for you all, and it is something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while. So enough of all that, let's take a closer look. So allow me to introduce you to our beautiful Storybook Snail, and a really different make this month and some new techniques to learn here. As you can see, a very, very different head this time. We've got beautiful eye stalks with those gorgeous eyes set in them. We've created the lower face stalks, and quite a simple design, but very different and something really interesting to learn. There's secrets underneath here. There's no really big secret, it's just that the whole snail has a body underneath, and this beautiful little quilted shell just pops right over the top. And the shell, I haven't had this much fun in a long time, and you can just imagine what you can do with this shell. So these little eye stalks are sculpted, and so are these lower ones. New technique for us to learn there, and our blending in. A little bit of airbrushing and shading, and of course I give you a lovely little collar and necktie if you want to add that one. I just love it. I'm just so excited to see what people are going to do with this shell. You know, you can just imagine this as a steampunk style, or I nearly went in the direction of a very Victorian style with the lace and the almost goth sort of a look, which would look lovely with a choker with a cameo on the front there. I'm sure you're going to all come up with fantastic ideas, and really a beautiful size to work on too. So thank you for coming and checking her out. So what do you all think? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know what you think of my little snail, my big snail, and what your plans are to do with yours. So if you have liked this project, I was looking at some of the other projects in Masterclass, and I feel like this vibe works with Mr. T, our big sea turtle. Same sort of look and same sort of construction, and if you enjoyed him, you will probably enjoy this one. And also Truvy, our standing chicken, she's just amazing. But that same quilting vibe with all of those vibrant colours and lots of detail. Anyway, go and check those out. If you are not a member of Masterclass and you'd like to be, I'll put the links down below. Also the links to our Facebook page. So many newbies there. So lovely to see you all. Thank you for joining. Show us your work. We want to see what you're doing with my patterns. Now everybody, just take it easy during this lead up to Christmas. It can be hectic. Look after yourselves a little better than I have been, and remember to keep on creating. So everybody, remember to pay all of those good things forward. Everybody here on Pay It Forward, it's been a slow month. I've got a pattern coming up for you very soon. Thank you for your patience. Keep yourself safe, everyone. Pay all the good things forward, as I said. And for now, it is hooroo from me.